This is a brand new 2012 Ford Focus. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, external temperature display, a four-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side impact airbags, and a multi-link rear suspension. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Mike Shad Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7700 Blanding Boulevard in Jacksonville.